Hey, honey bunches of oats, it's Jacquee. And guess what? Jackie's cooking. And baby, today we are going to make something so fabulous, it's going to knock your socks off. We are making some blue crabs in a spicy coconut red sauce. Let me tell you something. I cannot be held responsible for how this makes you feel, if it makes you want to slap somebody, because it's that good. So don't come cursing me out. Don't come for me, because it ain't my fault. It ain't my fault. But baby, I want you to lay back and let's get ready to do some cooking. Guys, if you could please subscribe and press that notification bell, and also like and share my YouTube channel. So, we have some blue crabs. Okay, and also put some claws in there too. Don't worry guys, the ingredients are in the description down at the YouTube page. Okay. We have our seasonings. I am going to use some chicken bouillon seasoning. We have some bay leaf. We have some red pepper flakes, some sugar, pepper, smoked paprika, some seasoning salt. We have a can of tomato sauce. We have about 2 sticks of butter. This is unsalted butter. Okay, I got some green seasoning. It's also known as recadito in the supermarket, so a piece for all my Haitian people. Some onion and some garlic. And some potatoes. We just wanted straight crabs today, you know, and a little potato, nothing extra, but I'll show you how to do all that extra stuff later. I got some sour orange and a lime. If you can't find the sour orange, you could substitute it for the lime, or you could use lemon or vinegar, and some coconut milk. Okay, guys, so let's get to it. All right, guys, so we have a pot that's nice and hot, okay? I am going to add my first stick of butter. Gotta be butter. Pure butter, nothing else. Okay, and we're gonna melt that bad boy down. Okay, so we got our butter melted, and we're going to start adding our condiments, like our onion. And what I want to do, I want to get those onions. I have some red onion. I love red onion. You could use regular onions too, but I love red onion. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, we're going to saute that onion in that butter, because we want that onion flavor and that butter. Guys, we're just doing it up. Okay, we're just sauteing. I want to give the onions fresh start, so they could have a chance to release their flavor. Okay. And guys, again, once you see this, you could alter this, okay? So now our onion is nice and sauteed the way I want it to be. Okay, we're gonna add our garlic. Now, I love garlic. You know, you could add as much as you want or as less as you want. You know, if you don't have actual garlic, you can use garlic powder. Okay? It's just as good. Even though I like the actual pure garlic itself. Okay, we're gonna saute that. Okay, guys, and once that garlic hits that butter, oh my God, with those onions, the smell is incredible. Your kitchen is gonna just be radiating, be permeating with that delicious smell. Okay, so we're gonna keep stirring. You don't want to burn the garlic. You don't want to do that. Okay, you're just infusing that butter with the garlic. Just want to give you our closer shot. Okay, now we're going to add our green seasoning. For all the Caribbean people, you know what I'm talking about. Green seasoning. Later on, I'll show you guys how to make it from scratch. But for everybody else, you could get the green seasoning in your supermarket. Like Goya, it's called recadito. Okay, and for my Haitians, it's épices. Okay, and that just has a blend of herbs, onions, garlic, pepper, cilantro, parsley, you know, all that good stuff. And that is the base for a lot of, especially a lot of islanders from the Caribbean. It's so good. I know I use it a lot in everything that I do. Okay, so now we're going to take our seasonings, okay, that I showed you earlier. We're going to mix all those together. Okay, our bay leaf. Okay, the pepper. Now, as far as the pepper and the red pepper flakes, I added what I wanted. You could pull back, or if you want to add a little bit more, you can, okay? It's to your taste. This is what this is about. You want to just adjust it to your tasting. Okay, so now we're going to mix that together. Okay, that garlic is nice and infused in that butter. And what I'm going to do now, I am going to add my other stick of butter. And get that melted. Guys, I wish you were here so you could smell what I'm smelling right now. It's oh my God. It's just absolutely divine. We're going to get our butter melted. This sauce is nice and rich. This is what makes this dish, you know, this sauce. It's something I came up with, you know, and it just came out to be so good. And oh my God. Okay. You need the butter, because that's what's going to set this off. That butter. You got to have good, real butter. No margarine, butter. So now, you know, I had already cleaned up my crabs and stuff, and I'm adding about a half a dozen of blue crabs. And I had some extra claws that I added in there too, okay? And I'm going to add it into this butter mixture. Okay, I'm going to add my seasonings. Okay, we're going to mix that. I want to mix that until about a minute or two, because I want the crabs to start absorbing some of those delicious flavors. Okay, and as you can see, some of the claws are turning that nice pink color. So that's what we're looking for. Keep stirring about 2 minutes, okay? You're sauteing that. You're marrying that butter seasoned butter with the crabs, okay? Now I'm going to add my potatoes in there with it, because, you know, potatoes take a minute to cook, you know, so I am going to add my potatoes, and I am going to stir it along in that butter mixture with the crabs. I want everything to marry. I want there to be a dance in this dish, okay? And the minute you put this in your mouth, again, I cannot be held responsible. Okay, now guys, I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all do crab boils out there. If you want to add shrimp, you know, you could add shrimp like 5 minutes before the cooking time ends. You could add clams, like 10 minutes, your clams in there, some corn, okay? But we just wanted straight up crabs to eat. Okay, it's starting to come together. Okay, so now I'm going to add my tomato sauce. Okay, we're going to add our tomato sauce. That's going to help give it that extra richness. And I just swirled a little water in the can. I don't like anything to go to waste, just to get that extra tomato sauce. So you could do that too, okay? That was just about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of water in the can to swish and get that extra tomato sauce out. Okay, I'm going to add my sour orange and my lime juice. If you can't find sour orange, just use the limes. If you don't have limes, use lemons. If you don't have lemons, use vinegar. Okay, but you need that acidity. Okay, now I'm going to add my coconut milk. Okay, now guys, let me let you know something. This dish came out by mistake. I'm very biased about coconut and savory foods. Okay, to me, coconut should be in cakes and sweets. What happened was one day I was making this dish and I was also prepping to make a cake, a coconut cake. So what I accidentally did, I put the coconut milk in the crabs, and that was not my goal because I was going to add water, you know, and you could do water with this too if you don't like the coconut. But baby, I was like, oh, darn it. Honey, when this was finished cooking, it came out delicious. So sometimes a slip up could be your greatest asset to a recipe. Okay? See how nice and rich that looks? That looks good enough to eat right now. Really does. Okay, so we're gonna cover our pot and we're gonna let that cook, okay? And we'll come back and check up on it. Okay, so this is about 20 minutes later. And oh my God, it smells so good up in my kitchen. I mean, trust me, when you do this, you'll see what I'm talking about. It is amazing. Okay? I'm going to cook this a little bit more for my potatoes to get a little bit softer. And honey, here we go. This is what I'm talking about. This is so good, guys. You can serve it with a side of spaghetti. It's just, and it's exactly what you're gonna say once you taste this. I mean, the sauce is nice and rich. If you want to serve the sauce with a side of white rice, you can have a little pasta on the side, you know, to eat with it, or you could just eat it just like that. Guys, this is Divine. I want you to enjoy and let everybody know Jackie's cooking.